Hello, welcome back to GhanaFunTube. How are you guys doing today? Today is amazing. So today I just want to show you guys a video I recorded with my iPhone a few years ago, and I just thought I should share this video with you guys. This video was recorded in Lome, and the second part of the video is the Togo-Ghana border in Aflao. Aflao, you spell it with A-F-L-A-O. So I'm going to share this video with you. I hope you enjoy it. The video is just about the Ghana border. At the time of the video, I think when pandemic, so it was very quiet. Not a lot of people, but on a normal day, it's a very busy place. There's a lot of businesses, activities, and a lot of stuff going on. But this video, it was very quiet. So the main purpose of the video is just to show you guys how Togo or how Aflao look like during this pandemic. I hope you enjoyed this part of the video. Let me share this video with you. For those of you traveling to Togo or traveling to Ghana who have no idea how the border look like, this is how the border look like at the moment. I hope you enjoy. And since you enjoyed that part of the video, just do me a little favor, like the video, share the video with your friends. If there's something you want me to record in the next year 2022, please do let me know, because I'm planning to do a different kind of content, still raw content but in a different style. So I've been doing a lot of research. Hopefully I can get all those research done so that I can continue giving you the best amazing content. Until then, happy new year, and I hope you stay safe. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. See you again.